What up, Smart Rapper Gang? We're back in the studio, out of the I-8. You know what I'm saying? I had to change it up a little bit, and I was very busy. I'm still very busy, but you know, I gotta get it back in here for you guys. But today we're gonna talk about 3 signs that you need to scrap a song. Now this is very important because I know sometimes you probably feel like I'm stuck on this song. I don't know what to do with this song, and sometimes that's a sign to move on. So we're gonna go into those signs today. And remember, I've written over 5,000 songs, and this is going to help you get more songs finished, get more songs recorded. Just all of these things are gonna help you progress in your career. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. You're part of the Smart Rapper Gang now. Hit me with a subscribe, hit me with a like, hit me with a comment, and we're gonna talk about these signs right after the intro. Ooh, yeah. Love those one takes.
I do this full time, bitch. I do this full time. Every day. Stay up on my grind, bitch. All day. Stay up on my grind. I do this full time, bitch.
One thing I like to say in general is if you work on a song 3 times, like you actually dedicate time to working on a song 3 times and you see no progress, you're just not vibing with that song, so you need to toss it. That's just a rule of thumb, okay? Let's go ahead and get into these signs. Number 1, because a hook, a chorus is so important in making a song, if you work on a song 2 times and you don't come up with something really catchy or melodic enough to really be something close to the hook or the chorus, it's probably a sign that you need to scrap it. And this is because generally if you're gonna create a song, if you're gonna make a really good hook, of course you have to work on it, but if you work on it 2 full times and you're not any closer to getting the hook, you need to start working on a song instead where you actually have a better chance of making a hook, because the hook is the key component to a song that's going to get traction, right? That key flow, the thing that's gonna catch the listener. If you can't seem to make something catchy to a beat, you're not vibing with the beat. You just need to switch to a different beat, scrap that, go to the next one, okay? Remember, you're gonna fail forward. You're gonna make a lot of shitty songs before you start making really good songs. That's how it is for everybody, okay? Remember, and I told you guys many times on this channel, make sure to subscribe, lots of videos, video every day, that, shameless drop, that a lot of major artists will make around 100 songs and keep about 10 to 15 for their project, okay? This is a normal thing that happens because not every song is gonna be amazing. Hence why I'm making this video, to show you when to scrap a song so you can get to these songs faster and get to your hits and get to your better songs, okay? Now, if you really vibe with a beat, when you make it and you're just writing all these bars to it, you got your flows and everything else like that, when you first turn it on, okay, you can still go back to that. You save that. If you're writing to a beat, you're vibing with it. That means you like the beat, okay? Save that in a folder, name it, get the beat, put it in the folder, and go back to that at a different time, okay? But if you can't make a hook for the first couple times, if you're really not vibing with the beat, toss it. Number 2, if your voice doesn't seem to fit on the beat, that may be a sign that you need to scrap it. But before you do that, I need you to understand something, okay? Just because your voice that you're with, like if I'm rapping like this on the beat, you know what I'm saying? It might work, but yeah, like rapping like this on the beat. You know what I'm saying? Like rapping like this on the beat. Rapping like this on the beat. You know what I'm saying? There's so many different things that you probably didn't consider trying. There's so many different voices and so many different styles that you haven't found inside yourself that would potentially fit on that beat. Have you even found your style yet? I have a Rap Voice trilogy to teach you how to find your voice and ways and a procedure that you can do in order to find the voice that works best for you. I'll put a link below for y'all. That's the top selling voice ebook on the internet as far as how to find your rap voice, okay? Link below. But again, if your voice that you're trying, even if you know all these different voices and styles that you have, if none of these are seeming to fit, or your flow isn't fitting, or you're actually trying and you're writing and you're trying to vibe and it's not working, you just need to move to the next beat. You're wasting your time on this, okay? There could be something that you learn, do a lot of time and dedication and assessing yourself while working on this beat for you to learn. Yes, there's always something that you can learn from every situation when things suck, okay? When it's hard to do. But you're gonna be better off if you find something that actually fits you, that you really vibe with, and that's suitable for your voice, a voice that you can find no matter what that voice is. Let's go to number 3. Number 3, and this is actually very interesting and something I didn't realize for a long time, but you need to know this. Number 3 is similar to number 2, but it comes down to your rap flow. If your flow type doesn't fit on the beat, you need to go find one that fits your flow. You have this flow that you developed from the rappers that you listen to and you were inspired by, and that type of flow only fits on certain types of beats. Have you ever tried to hop on a beat and you're like, well, I can't flow on this for some reason? Well, number 1, not all beat makers have beats that you can flow on, okay? Sometimes they have a really cool sounding beat, but it's just like you can't really flow on the beat and make it sound good. Maybe it's too filled in, maybe it's just not the type of beat, maybe it's just, there's a lot of things that could come into play. There's a lot of variables, there's a myriad myriad of variables involved with you being able to lay down the right rap flow on the right rap beat, okay? It's really as simple as that. And the reason I'm really making this video is so you guys know, look, if it's wasting your time and you're not really getting something achieved with it, it's okay to move to the next song, and then move to the next song, and then move to the next song. The only way you're gonna get good is by practicing and seeing what works, and trying different beats and testing and flows and sing. There's no other way to grow. Now, I don't really recommend that you ever throw away a song. I do recommend that you save all your songs and all your ideas. If you ever wrote or put anything to them, you save them and you put them in a specific place, because who knows, your style might develop later and you might have a really cool style that would work on that beat. I have saved every song that I've ever had since like 2006, okay? So I have every single song, and I went back even just like 6 months ago, I went back and I was like, ooh, these are hard. Like, I could kill these now, right? And I remember I put one of those videos in like that track out video, and everybody's like, yo, what beat's this? I'm like, that's a beat from 2008. That's a song I wrote in 2008 that I'm now going to remake and release, because I wasn't good enough then to do it, but now I am good enough to do it. You get where I'm coming from? So save those songs, but scrap them. Scrap quickly, but don't make it an excuse like, it's not working, go to the next one. Really actually try. But if it's not working when you try a couple times, move on, okay? I hope this helped you. You just became a smarter rapper. Don't forget, Smart Rapper Community is coming. I have over 30 courses. I have A&R context lists. And for anybody right now that's trying to get those, I do apologize. I had to pay a company because I built the website myself. I built Smart Rapper and I built all this stuff and I edit all these videos and show these videos. I'm not somebody who builds websites for a living. So when you want to start going and doing something like creating a community that's gonna have tens of thousands of people in it, okay, and you need a 2-second load time and you need everything to be optimized, I had to go hire and pay somebody to do that. So right now they're in the process of doing that. So for everybody who's going to it and is like, I can't download it, it's okay. You'll be able to do that in the next 2 weeks, okay? Because the community's gonna be up and running. I paid a lot of money to have this thing all fixed up and Speedy Gonzalez, so motherfuckers, you guys can all go and join. We're gonna be good. Just be on the lookout for that, because I have all these courses to teach you how to flow, write choruses, find your rap voice, how to copyright music, how to build your website to a base level so that you can actually get everything going, how to sell merchandise, how to make money from everything. I mean, even how to make merchandise, just tons of stuff. I've made all these courses, Instagram courses, YouTube courses. I have all these things. I actually have a #4 top rated on the internet Instagram course, and I have a top YouTube course as well. So I have all of these things that you're gonna be able to get access to once the community launches. So be on the lookout for that, all right? I appreciate y'all. Thanks for sticking with me. If you have any comments, leave them below. Any other reasons why you might have to scrap a song, or any experience that you've ever had where you wanted to scrap a song, like, why did you scrap it? Like, tell people, okay? Any information, we're all here to help each other, okay? I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. I'm gonna see you guys again tomorrow with another video. Thanks for watching, gang. Keep hustling.